In this and the next lectures, we are going to trade the currency pair Euro US dollar, and we will deeply analyze the results of our trade to really understand the mechanics of day trading. And I will also explain terms like bid and ask prices, margins, pips, and more. And I'm here on my practice account, and we can go to the browser-based the trading platform by clicking here. And here on the right hand side, we can see the price chart for Euro US dollar, but we can also select other currency pairs. And here on the left hand side, we have an overview. The exchange rate indicates how much of the quote currency, so how much US dollar we have to pay to actually get 1 euro, or if we sell euro, how many US dollars we get for 1 euro. So now example here, if we buy 1 euro, then we have to pay $1.05772. And if you want to sell 1 euro, then we get here 1.05761 US dollar. So in total, we have here two different prices. And depending on whether we want to buy euro or sell euro, then one of those two prices apply. And the rule is actually pretty simple. We always get the less favorable price. So if we want to buy euro, then the higher price applies. So we have to pay more for 1 euro. And whenever we want to sell euro, then we get the lower price. So again, in our example here, if we want to buy 1 euro, we have to pay 1.0577. And if we sell 1 euro, then we only get 1.0576. And actually the buy price is also called the ask price, and the sell price is the bid price. Now, as you can see, there's a difference between ask price and bid price, and that's also called here the spread.